So you have deleted your emails that you thought are useless, but later you realize or your boss wanted an old email, which you deleted. Now you don't know how to get them back. Well, don't worry, because in this video we'll teach you how to retrieve AOL mail and recover deleted emails. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before then, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more contents just like this one. How to recover deleted AOL mails within 7 days. Firstly, go to AOL.com and log into your AOL account. Once in your email, go to Trash, which is located right here. Here, search for your lost email. Once you have found your deleted email, select it and click on More. Next, click on Move to Inbox, and you're done. But if you didn't find your email here, then follow the next method. Retrieve deleted emails from AOL server. Now, if you're using the AOL web-based service, then your mail data will be saved on their official server. If you see that your mails are deleted permanently and were important, then you can contact the support center to get the mails back. And that is the only way possible to get your mails back. However, this service may be only available to paid members only, so do check it out. Recover permanently deleted AOL mails using AnyRecover. Some users do prefer to add their AOL account to Outlook or Thunderbird, and if that's the case, then you won't be able to recover the deleted mails from the AOL server. The only way is to get them back by using a mail recovery program, which is nothing but by using AnyRecover. AnyRecover is the one-stop solution to recover lost data on a PC or a Mac. And it also supports a full range of devices like SSD, SD cards, HDD, USB flash cards, etc. Along with that, it also supports more than 1,000 file types, which include photos, videos, office documents, mails, audio, etc. So it doesn't matter whichever files you have lost. And with the latest version of AnyRecover, you can also repair damaged or broken video files after recovery. So check the video description to download this amazing utility, so make sure you do that. After downloading and installing, run AnyRecover. Click on PC and hard drive recovery. Now click on Select a folder and select your document folder. And AnyRecover will automatically scan your drive for all the mails that were lost. After the scan, select the mails that you want to recover and click on the blue Recover button. Select the location where you want to paste in these recovered files, and you're done. Well, in this way, you can retrieve AOL mail and recover the deleted emails. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents just like this one. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.